Mittens, get up! Hey, look at me now. Look at me in the eyes. Hey, get up. Yeah, that's right. Don't you dare yawn like that. Don't you dare yawn like that. It's 1:56 p.m. Look at the clock. Do you see that? Yeah, you see that. Hey, look. 1:56 p.m. Look what time it is, Mittens. It is 1:56 p.m. Yeah, you see that? Yeah. And you said that at 10 o'clock a.m., you would cook my spaghetti and meatballs. What happened? What happened, yo? Hey. What happened? Why didn't you cook my... Well, I'm right here. My eyes are right here. Why didn't you cook my spaghetti? What? Why are you licking your armpits, Mittens? Why are you licking your arm? Why don't you take a real bath? Hey, you listening to me? Get off your lazy ass and cook my spaghetti and meatballs now. Cook my goddamn spaghetti and meatballs. Mittens, cook my spaghetti and meatballs. Don't you dare fall asleep on me. Don't you dare take a bath on me. I've been telling you to make all my spaghetti and meatballs, Mittens. I've been telling you, and you don't even listen. Mittens, I have... I'll cook them myself.